In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete other languages on Google Drive. If your Drive interface or search suggestions occasionally switch to a language you don't use, it usually means extra languages are listed on your Google account. We'll remove those, so Drive sticks to the language you prefer. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google's homepage. In the top right corner, look for the grid icon, often called the Google Apps button. It looks like a small square made of dots. Click it to open the app launcher. From the panel that appears, choose Drive. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you land in your Google Drive. Once Drive is open, move back to the top right corner and click the gear icon to open the menu. Then choose Settings. This opens your Drive settings panel. Inside, locate the option that says Change Language Settings. Selecting this takes you to your Google account language page. That's because language is controlled at the account level, and your choice here applies to Drive as well as other Google services. On the language page, you'll see your primary language at the top, and below that, a list of other languages that may have been added in the past. We're focusing on those extra entries. Click the other language you want to remove to highlight it, then select the trash bin icon to delete it. If you have several you no longer need, repeat this action for each one. Your changes save immediately, and removing these does not affect your files or folders in Drive. It only influences the interface, spell check, and search behavior. A quick note: you can't delete your primary language from this list. That's expected. We're only cleaning up the additional languages so Google services don't switch unexpectedly. When you're finished, go back to your Drive tab. You may notice the language experience is more consistent right away. If not, a quick page reload will reflect the change. From now on, menus, suggestions, and document tools in Drive should align with your chosen language without pulling in the ones you removed. And that's all there is to it. You used the Google Apps grid to open Drive, jumped into Settings, followed the link to your account's language page, and deleted other languages using the trash icon. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more consistent Google Drive experience.